Opening it the first time requests you to choose your Google account. Also, the app optimizes itself, which takes a few minutes depending on the total number of photos. This is the interface. We have the navigation on the bottom. Scroll down to see your photos. This interface shows media from your device and the cloud sorted by the check-in date. Tap a photo to open it. We have the share button to create a link to the photo and share or share it in other apps. We can send photos and videos to other Google Photos users by inserting their email addresses. Tap those three dots to see the media information. If you see a download button here, that means that the photo is saved online only. If you see delete from device, that means the photo is saved online and on mobile. Lastly, if you see a backup icon, that means that the photo is only saved on mobile. Other information is below. You might also find effects to apply to the photo. On the top are memories. The app has reimagined memories. It shows more than just your past photos. It creates moments. Some of those are featured videos, video highlights, videos of the day, similar photos and more. We can go to that day by clicking here. All the memory details are kept on this screen. A memory or a media can be shared with others. We also have a memories interface that automatically creates memories of places and events. Again, seeing memories and sharing them is possible. You can create a memory by clicking the tiny plus icon on the top. Google Photos has an intelligent search. First are faces. It creates faces of people and tapping one will show their photos and videos. Then we can filter those results and see their photos with others and see their photos at different places. The app also creates a place album as you travel. The first map is to see your photos. As you adjust the map, it will show the photos in that area. Then are automatically created categories. You'll find your screenshots, documents, notes, receipts and other categories depending on your photos. Google Photos is amazing at organizing photos and making it easier to find them when needed. The search bar on the top can search for places, categories, colors, faces and more. Just type the thing you want and it will find it for you. The library interface has device folders and albums. From here we can browse all the media on the phone. For the albums, some you will create and some Google Photos may create for you. For example, this family and friends is auto-created and the app adds photos of you and your family when you take them. You'll also find your archives, recycle bin, favorites and locked folder. Photos and videos can be saved in the locked folder and you must insert your biometrics or PIN to access them. Sharing is caring. To see all the shared content, click this button on the top. Shared items from Google Photos to Google Photos are displayed in conversation style. You can pick the photos and then tap this share button to share them. Then tap send in photos to see who has a Google Photos account. Let's pick a contact and send them. Once sent, the receiver will get a notification. On the top are albums and memories that you have shared with others and others have shared with you. View those to see all the added users and to save those photos to your account. Now we'll move to photo editing. Google Photos uses some sort of AI in this matter as well. When you view a photo, it suggests edits and you can apply those edits with one tap. Tap this button to save the edited photo. All the editing options are here. The top are the suggested edits. Those are for enhancing the photo automatically. We can crop the photo, rotate it and adjust its ratio. Also, you'll find all the tools here. Adjust the brightness, contrast, HDR effect, white and black points, highlights, shadows and more. To draw on the photo with a pen or highlighter or to add text, go to the markup tool. Let's undo those edits now. The app also has a blur tool to blur the background. Just wanted to cover that before saving the image. The video editor has the same tools. It does not have suggested edits but has two extra features. First is the video stabilization to stabilize the video and the other is exporting a single frame as an image. One of the reasons of using Google Photos is saving storage on your phone. Go to your profile and then click Free Up Space. You will notice the total space that photos and videos have taken that are saved online and on this device. You can delete those from your device by tapping this button. The last topic of this video is backing up photos. Tap your profile icon. You'll find the backup option. If not, go to settings and then tap backup. Here you'll notice the details of your plan. Also ensure that the top backup option is checked. Then scroll down to see the options. The backup quality has two qualities. The original will take more space because photos and videos are mostly taken in high definition. To save storage, you can pick the storage saver that will reduce the quality before uploading. The mobile data upload settings are next. Lastly, if you want to upload any device folders, you can do so from here. Google Photos is more than what we covered. For example, we can create cinematic photos and animations with a few taps. But that's for later. Thanks for watching. Take care.